in direction 75. Just write 75 here. 75. Okay, then we go back and carry another glide. This time around, glide 2 seconds. 2 seconds in X 183. Let's make this 183, and the Y position will be minus 39. So what this does is, if I click on the play button, okay, so you see now it moves from the parking space to the air. So if I click on it, it moves from the parking space to the air. So that is what that does. So let's go back now and continue our code. So glad 180, X 183, and Y minus 39, and then we need to move to the next background. Click on loop and select next backdrop. Next backdrop. I said that backdrop and background are the same. So next backdrop, and then we go back to motion. Go back to motion, and I say point in direction again. Point in direction, that means we wanted to change its direction. Point in direction to 90. So that is what that is all about. That means it was formerly in direction 75, now is turning. It will now turn in direction of 90. That means if it's facing the south before, now we want it to face the west. That is what that means. Okay, I'm sure you are following. Okay, and then we now say go to now, drag out, go to what now? Go to minus 193, minus 193, then minus 40, minus 193, minus 40. Then we say glide again. Glide this time around, glide for 4 seconds. Gliding is just fly. That's what we mean by glide. Fly 4 seconds to 176 position. 176 position, that is the x-axis, and then minus 28. Minus 28, that's the y-axis. Okay, then we get another backdrop now, because when he wants to land, he has to come back to the floor to land. So we say change to the next backdrop. Okay, now we now say glide backdrop, and then say go to minus 193, minus 193, that is the x-axis, and then minus 20, minus 29, minus 29. Okay, so we now say point in direction. So it's just like a repetition of the same thing. And don't forget, this is the same code that is being used for drones. So once you know how to create this code, you can easily create drones. And also robots are the same, they are the same, but you know robots can't fly. Okay, so we can't use it for robots because robot can't fly. Robot has to walk. That means instead of using glides, we have to use move. That means move 10 steps, move 15 steps. That's just the difference. Okay, but all of them are in the same kind of position. Okay, so I'm sure you are following. Point in direction 75, then glide 2 seconds. Glide 2 seconds this time around. Glide 2 seconds to X56, S56, and Y minus 142. Okay, hope you are following. Minus 142. I will not say point in direction again. Point in direction this time around. Point in direction 90. Point in direction 90 and glide. glad this is the last one. Glad 4 seconds, 164.